Hi children, today we are discussing one of the important lesson from the 10th class. These chapters is very helpful to you in your examination, and also you can get more marks from this chapter, and this chapter is very helpful to map pointing also from the paper 1. Very important lesson from the paper 1. This lesson is India relief features. India relief features. Relief features mean nothing but different landforms which is existing in India. Landforms. It's mean India is a vast country, different climatic conditions, and you know that plateau, mountains, rivers and plain areas and different landforms in our country. So now we are discussing from this landforms in this lesson. So now we are going to lesson. Now we have to know the location of India. So what is the location of India? So you know that location of India. If you can locate the any country in the world with grid system. Grid mean a network of latitude and longitude. A network of latitude and longitudes. So latitudes mean, see you know that latitudes, horizontal lines on the globe is known as latitudes. The 0 degrees latitudes is known as equator. The equator is divide the earth at the northern hemisphere, in the south side, southern hemisphere. The India is located in the northern hemisphere. The India is located in northern hemisphere. The equator is divided. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. India is located in northern hemisphere. So you know that 23.5 north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of the country. Very important. The Tropic of Cancer divide the India as northern India and southern India. And again I am repeating, the Tropic of Cancer. See, the Tropic of Cancer. See, this is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer divide the India as two parts. North part of the India and south part of the India. So it is the very important. The Tropic of Cancer is the divide the India as two parts. And 66.5 north latitude is known as Arctic Circle, and 90 degrees north latitude is known as North Pole, and as well as in south side also 23.5 south latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 south latitude is known as Antarctic Circle. So it is the 90 degrees latitude is known as in South Pole. So these are the some important latitudes on the globe. So latitude, the total latitudes are 180. How many latitudes? 180 latitudes. These are horizontal lines. These are all are the horizontal line. See, India is located on which latitude or which latitudes? India is located and 8 degrees and 4 minutes. See, 8 degrees and 4 minutes. 8 degrees and 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. 8 degrees and 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. These are 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. So we are discussing latitudes. So how many latitudes? 180 latitudes. The 0 degrees latitude is known as equator. The equator is divided the earth as two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And India is the part of the northern hemisphere. So some of the important latitudes: Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 north latitudes, and 66.5 north latitude is known as Arctic Circle, and 90 degrees latitude is known as North Pole, and 90 degrees south as well as in south side also we know as South Pole. So the total latitudes are 180. And now another one is longitudes. The longitudes, the 0 degrees longitudes, the 0 degrees longitudes is known as GMT and also known as prime meridian line. So 0 degrees is also known as old standard time. Okay, GMT and old standard time. So 0 degrees longitudes it passes through London in England. Toward the east there is a 180 longitudes. Toward the east there is a 180 longitudes toward the east. Toward the west also 180 longitudes. The total longitudes are 360 longitude. These are timelines. We also call as timelines also. So we discussed longitude also. So India is located which longitudes? See, India is located between 68 degrees and 7 minutes. 68 degrees and 7 minutes to 97 degrees and 25 minutes eastern longitude. 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitude. India is located between this longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees. Longitudes, you know that vertical lines on the globe. So these are vertical lines. So 68 degrees and 7 minutes to 97 degrees and 25 minutes eastern longitude. India is located between this longitude. Children, we also discussed latitudes and longitudes also. So India location, it's mean latitude and longitudes. The latitudes are 8 degrees and 4 minutes to 37 degrees and 6 minutes north latitude, and 68 degrees and 7 minutes to 97 degrees and 25 minutes eastern longitude. This is India's location. India is located between this latitude and longitudes. And our state location, let us discuss our state location. So it is one of the important. So Andhra Pradesh location. So 12 degrees and 4 minutes to 12 degrees and 4 minutes to and 19 degrees and 07 north latitude. 19 degrees 07 north latitude, and 77 degrees 84 minutes eastern longitude, and 84 degrees and 44 minutes eastern longitude. So these are the Andhra Pradesh location. So Andhra Pradesh located between this latitude and longitude. The latitudes mean between 12 degrees and 4 minutes to 19 degrees and 07 north latitude, and 77 degrees and 84 minutes to 84 minutes 44 minutes eastern longitude. So these are the location of Andhra Pradesh. So now we discussed the location of India and Andhra Pradesh. So one of the important India's location and the frequently asking questions in the examination, India's location. The location of India is the very important. So location of India between 8 degrees and 4 minutes to 37 degrees and 6 minutes north latitude, and 68 degrees and 7 minutes to 97 degrees and 25 minutes eastern longitude. So this is the location of India. Now the distance of India, see the distance of India from north to south, the distance of India from the north to south, 3214 kilometers. See here the distance of India from north to south, 3214 kilometers, and from east to west or west to east, here to here, from east to west or west to east, the distance, and 2933 kilometers. Children, it is the very important, the distance of the India from north to south, 3214 kilometers, and east to west, 2933 kilometers. 2933 kilometers. So this is the distance of India. And India location, see already we discussed the location of India, and you know that the German meteorologist introduced the theory of continental drift. According to his theory, he described how the formation of the oceans and continent and the present in the world. So according to his theory, he introduced the earlier 20th century. So according to his theory, 220 million years ago, there is a single supercontinent in the world. Only single supercontinent in the world. That is the Pangaea. Pangaea is the supercontinent in the world. 220 million years ago. It was broke up and divided into two parts. The one part is the Laurentia. Another name of the Laurentia is Angara. In the part of the Laurentia, North America, Greenland, and Eurasia, and north part of the Indian subcontinent. And it's mean north part of the some neighbor country of the India in the north part of the areas. So that is the north part of the Indian subcontinent. Another part is Gondwana. So in the part of the Gondwana land, South America, Africa, Madagascar, India is the part of the Gondwana land. Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies, Australia, Antarctica. So these are all in the part of the Gondwana land. India is the part of the Gondwana land. See, very important. India is the part of the Gondwana land and northern hemisphere. Located in northern hemisphere. And also we discussed the location of India also. So very important. So according to Alfred Wegener theory, the supercontinent broke up and divided into two parts, Laurentia and Gondwana. The another name of the Laurentia, Angara. India is the part of the Gondwana land. So Tethys Sea is the divided the two part of this land. Very important. See, the Tethys Sea is the divided the two part of the lands. So these are the India is located in Gondwana land and also northern hemisphere. We also discussed the India's locations also. India is located, which is the latitude and longitudes also. So this is, we discussed the location of India and distance of the India and also. And one more thing is, India is located in the northern hemisphere, in the part of the Gondwana land. India is the part of the Gondwana land and also located in northern hemisphere. So that's why the latitudes are north latitudes. India is located between these north latitudes. 8 degrees and 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and longitudes are 68 degrees and 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitudes. So very important, don't forget it. The location of India, and also India is the part of the Gondwana land and also located in northern hemisphere. And one more thing is, and GMT. GMT is Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. You know that longitudes are timelines also. Already we discussed. The longitudes are timelines also. So 0 degrees longitudes is known as prime meridian line and also known as GMT. The GMT passes through London in England. GMT passes through London in England. The 0 degrees longitude is known as GMT. The GMT passes through London in England. In the world, there is the 24 time zones in the world. There is the 24 time zones in the world. So each time zone has 1 hour. Each time zone has 1 hour. India the follow the only one time zone. It's mean Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. It's known as IST. India the follow the only one time. You know that. So India is the located between the 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees and 25 minutes eastern longitude. So each longitude has different times. So this is the very confused. So India the follow the only one time zone, that's known as IST, Indian Standard Time. So this is the Indian Standard Time. So it is the 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitudes. Very important. So Indian Standard Time. What is the Indian Standard Time in 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude? Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours later than GMT. 5.5 hours later than GMT. Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours later than GMT. It is one of the very important. So this is the IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh and near to Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Near to Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Very important. So IST means Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time line is 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude. 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude. So Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours later than GMT. 5.5 hours later than GMT. So next class we will discuss relief features of India. So how many relief features of India? So we have to discuss next class. Thank you, children.